I want to take you on a data-led tour of our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Start with where we live. I'm about 26,000 light-years from the center, riding a spiral arm segment called the Orion Spur. The Sun orbits once every roughly 230 million years. That's one galactic year. How do we know? The European Space Agency's Gaia mission has mapped the 3D positions and motions of over 1 billion stars, giving us the Milky Way's skeleton in motion. With Gaia's star streams, astronomers traced ancient collisions, like the Gaia-Sausage-Enceladus merger, that helped build the halo surrounding the disk. Zoom inward. At the core sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole about 4 million times the mass of the Sun. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope gave us its shadow, confirming decades of radio observations and infrared observations from teams around the world. Stretch outward. The disk spans roughly 100 to 120,000 light-years, threaded by a central bar and several spiral arms, star factories lit by newborn clusters and supernova. Radio surveys and NASA infrared maps reveal cold gas lanes. ALMA and other arrays resolve the nurseries where stars ignite. Around everything is a dark matter halo, most of the galaxy's mass, extending hundreds of thousands of light-years. We infer it from how fast stars and gas rotate. They're moving too quickly for visible matter alone. Closer to home, I'm inside the local bubble, a 1,000 light-year wide cavity sculpted by ancient supernovae, mapped in 3D dust by Gaia and Pan stars. Nearby, a colossal ribbon of gas, the Radcliffe Wave, undulates through our neighborhood, seeding future stars. Look up and you're seeing one frame of a living system. Bars that may slow, arms that shear, clusters that dissolve, and streams, stellar fossils, wrapping the sky. In a few billion years, the Milky Way will merge with Andromeda, reshaping everything. But tonight, all this motion is quiet light. One orbit, billions of stars, and a map we're finally learning to read. That's our galaxy. And we're inside the story.